Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Steve and today I will guide you through the real life wedding presets. So as you can hear, English is not my first language. I speak French, but today I'll do my best to guide you through this one in English. So sorry for the accent. So once you have downloaded and import your presets, you will get 4 folders. You'll get add-on and adjustment, background only, subject, adaptive, and up presets. So first of all, the basic of Lightroom will take 2 seconds. I need to go through this. When you want to preview how a preset will look like on your picture, you don't need to click on it. You just need to hover your mouse and see how it looks like, okay? Because if you click on it, the issue that you're gonna have is that the preset are stackable. What that means is that if I click, let's say this one, and then I click on another one and another one, well, I know for a fact, let's say that forest number 1 doesn't look like that. It looks like this right now because I have clicked on many presets before, and the color just stack over and get changed, so that the look of this picture is not really how it's supposed to look. So you might get lucky and adding 1 to many preset will give you a look that you cannot get on your own, because the system just stack over multiple presets and give you something really new. But most of the time, stick with 1 preset and you'll get an amazing result. So we'll try to adjust this picture here. I think that a natural look for that picture would be good. So we have natural presets here. So this one look fine, if you see the before and after. This one is good. Number 2, yeah, I don't like number 2. Okay, just for the exercise here, we're gonna stick with number 1. So I click on it and I applied the preset. It's done. But other things that we can adjust with the real life wedding presets, and we have here subject adaptive wedding. So what is this is that it's more adjustment that you can apply to your subjects and subject only that will let's say smooth the skin and adjust the eyes and stuff like that. So this one, first of all, we're gonna adjust the skin and the face skin and the body skin. So here we have body skin smooth plus. Okay, so if you look here and I move my mouse, you'll see a difference. Okay, so I'll apply smooth on the body, and on the face I will also apply, here we go, smooth plus. At any time when you click on a preset and you want to adjust the amount of preset that's applied on the picture itself, you can adjust it with a slider here. So this will increase or reduce the amount of the effect that the preset have on your picture. So let's see, this one look very good. Then the eye. So the iris, first of all, she has amazing eye, for a start, so that helps. So I'll pick this one, and the white in the eye, here we go, I'll pick this one. The teeth, yep, a little bit brighter, maybe not too much, but here we go, so it stay natural. All right, so we have a very good looking picture here right now, but we can still make it better. If we go in the background, so we have a nice background, we can still add some vibrance to that. Maybe too much, but we can Okay, we're gonna click on it and we're gonna reduce the amount of vibrance here. Here we go. That's nice. We can also set, yeah, no, that's about it here. Yeah. Add-on. So add-on adjustment. This here we can play a lot. So first of all, we can add some noise reduction. That's something I don't want to do. So sometimes the dress get a little bit blue when you play with presets. So we have preset to adjust here, as you can see, and remove almost all the blue in the dress. So here we go. I applied this one. Then we can put some vignetting here, but that's too much here, I think. A little bit less here. That's it. Then we can add some light trail. Light trail here. Yep. No. Nah. I like this one. Yep. I'll pick this one. I'll reduce it a bit here. There we go. And some dot trail here. Dot trail number 4. Here we go. And that's it. So, you know, the final adjustment could be here to play with the general setting of the picture. So maybe add some, some lights here. We could add some vibrance to the entire picture, but you know, we have enough here. So I think, you know, if we look at the previous and the current picture, we got something really amazing in only a few clicks. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you next time.